But yeah, I just want to say thank you for everyone coming to the season. Yeah, I mean, I wish I could have got everyone like more play time and more wins and whatever, but I think I'm just happy that like everyone like felt appreciated and supported and loved by everyone else. And if you didn't, it's my bad. It's our bad, but you deserve it. But you deserve to be loved. But but anyways, yeah, it was a good season. Thanks for everyone for coming. Hopefully next year we can have 2 teams, and Andrew can be one of those teams. And we can have like a nice
Andrew Nee.
A and B team. But yeah, we got some recognitions to hand out. I was gonna like do like MVP and all that stuff, but everyone's the MVP, so. Alright, first one's for G.
What is it? What is it?
The most likely to actually warm up before the game.
Wow. That's true.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh, dude, this is not paper, dude. This is
My sister's like, stop the card stock.
okay. Tony, stand up, please.
Oh, shoot.
Tony, this is for the most likely to steal the ball and then turn it back over.
Oh, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's true though. Alright, Kevin, this is for the toughest shot taker, not necessarily the toughest shot maker. Congratulations.
Dennis.
Nice paper.
This is for most likely to hit Winston in the face.
Wait, I think it happened.
There's a John Moon. I did it. Recognized for the blackest wardrobe.
But not today.
I know.
Dr. Lee. Stand up, please.
Oh, Dr. Lee.
This is for the most time spent in the air.
And the ground.
Candace Ho, recognized for the most space created from their defenders.
Most space created.
Oh, you guys not here. Oh, what you
What's these case? What is
These days, most potential to improve their cardio.
Man. Who did that one?
Cody's not here either, but he's the most active sweat gland. Andrew, stand up, please.
He's already tearing up.
I'm not something most emotional. Just kidding. Andrew, in recognition for the loudest voice.
Oh, thank
Number 3. Give it number 3.
Voice and your playing abilities.
By Chris Tom, the most likely to be run over by a large white pasture.
Oh, man.
Survive to tell the tale. David Marr, stand up, please. The most likely to hurt you when passing you the ball.
Oh, man.
Sounds about right.
Alright, Simon Yu, okay. Recognized for the slipperiest hands. Yeah, it's so slippery.
It's still slippery.
And last but not least, Iris Tom.
Yeah!
Most accurate scorekeeper and 2023 CSL Rookie of the Year. And shout out to Vera for
MVP.
MVP.
6 man of the MVP first team. But yeah, thanks everybody. Yeah.
Captains.